Hey everyone, welcome to Autologics. So, maybe you are a founder or a marketer or maybe a sales guy who wants to automate a lot of things in their workflow, maybe to make your job easier. And that's why you land on n8n. Now, there is one of the most interesting tool that has a lot of use cases and a huge community support with it, right? So there is AI, there is integrations, there is workflow and a lot of things you can explore with n8n. But as soon as you find out the pricing, you figure out that the annual plans or maybe monthly plans start at around 20 euros. And now, for a startup or for a small team, this does not seem a lot of a cool idea to, end up buying the n8n software that is hosted on their platform. But n8n also gives you an option to, install it on your local host, but it has its limitations. That's fine. That's a topic for another video. What we are going to do is we are going to understand how to install n8n on your laptop. First of all, you need to do is you need to download Node.js application. So install it. Select the default options and just install the Node.js. Once this is done, all you need to do is press the Windows button and open your command prompt. Now you are in. What you need to do is write npm installed n8n -g and press enter. It will start installing the software. You need to be patient because it might take some time. Now, once this is done, press n8n and hit enter. Okay, so now press O to enter. And voila, your n8n setup has been completed. So it's on localhost. All you need to do is just set up it. Once the installation and account creation is done, open the command prompt again. Write npm update n8n and press enter. It will start updating the software to the newest form, and it will also show you that how many files or packages were updated. Once this is done, you can also copy paste this URL to your browser or just press O as directed. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Do consider subscribing to Autologics. Have a good day ahead.